Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless LAN module, display panel assembly, hinge cap, display bezel, display panel, and right display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cable for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cable from the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Important. Make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceiver for later replacement. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceiver from the display enclosure. Replacement. Caution. Use care when handling and installing the new antenna. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antenna and degrade notebook performance. Place the wireless antenna transceiver into position on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cable through the routing channel that secures it to the display enclosure.